So you get your slope of 14.4.
Okay.
Okay, so now we've got our slope, our 14.4. I'll let you guys figure out the units for that slope. Again, we know that slope's equal to the density of our fluid, the density of the water that we're looking for, the area of that circular bottom that we found earlier, and our acceleration due to gravity are 9.81 meters per second squared. You guys can rearrange this equation, and again, when you do, you'll be able to solve for the density of our fluid. And again, hopefully when you take your slope, your area, and your gravity, you will get a number that's very, very, very close to 1,000. Once you have your number, you're going to do that same percent error as your last question on D2L. Using that same percent error equation we used in part number 1. You're going to answer some questions about the errors that you encountered. Remember, every tool that we used, like this tool or our scales or our rulers, they all have a certain uncertainty to them, and they can all be responsible for some plus or minuses. And then you guys are going to skip question 17. We're going to skip 17 because 17 is asking for the class average. Since we're doing this individually over COVID, we don't have any class averages. You guys can just skip that question and submit your lab. So thanks for showing up today. Again, that's getting the density of water via 2 different methods. Our density method, similar to our last week lab, and our Archimedes principle, force of buoyancy, using that displaced water method.